In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add and manage a new item in your inventory system. This process is crucial for keeping your inventory organized and staying on top of stock levels so you never run into issues of understocking or overstocking. Let's dive in and explore each step to make sure you've got a handle on how to seamlessly integrate new items into your workflow. To begin with, you'll want to navigate over to the Items module, which you'll find conveniently located in the left sidebar of your screen. This is your primary hub for all item-related management, and it's where all the magic begins. Once you're in the Items module, you'll notice a + New button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the interface. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will open up a whole new world of information that you'll need to fill out to add your item effectively. As you find yourself on the item creation page, your next task is to input all primary and sales or purchase information related to your new item. First, make sure to select goods as your item type. This choice is important because it dictates how the system will handle this item going forward. Once you've selected the type, it's time to enter a name for your item, which should be something clear and recognizable. After that, move on to inputting the sales rate and purchase rate. Both these figures are crucial for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring proper tracking through your accounting processes. At this stage, you'll also need to select the appropriate accounts for your sales and cost of goods sold. This detail ensures that your item is properly linked to financial accounts, keeping your books balanced and your accountants happy. Don't forget to add a thorough description of the item. This information aids others who may interact with your inventory and ensures clarity in communication. Lastly, set the default tax rates applicable to this item, as tax implications can vary and need to be accounted for correctly. Now that you have your item details set up, you're going to enable inventory tracking. Look for the option to track inventory for this item and ensure you check this box. If you happen to have existing stock on hand, this is the time to enter your opening stock quantity along with the opening stock rate. This information will serve as your starting point for inventory levels. It's also wise to specify a reorder point, which is the threshold at which you'll receive notifications when the stock levels dip too low, prompting timely restocking. Finally, after all these details have been diligently entered and cross-verified, the last step is to save your work. Click on the Save button, which will officially add your new item into the system and initiate inventory tracking. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your new item and are now well equipped to maintain organized and effective inventory management.